Ecological succession. Gradual and predictable change in species composition is known as ecological succession, and entire sequence of a community goes into successive or ecological succession is known as series. Climax community is that community which has gone to succession and now has come into equilibrium with its environment. Ecological successions are usually of two types, hydarch and xerarch. In hydarch, it occurs in wetter areas. It leads to hydrate to succession leads from hydrate to mesic conditions. In xerarch, it occurs in dry areas and succession leads from xeric to mesic conditions. Pioneer species is the species which invade large bare area. You can see in diagram hydarch succession in which you can see phytoplanktons will lead to succession to submerged plants, which lead to succession to submerged free floating plants, and ultimately formation of forest. Similarly, with other diagram you can see xerarch succession. Nutrient cycling. Movement of nutrients across various components of ecosystem is known as nutrient cycling. There are two major type of nutrient cycles present in an ecosystem, gaseous and sedimentary. Gaseous is carbon dioxide, nitrogen, oxygen, and sedimentary is calcium or phosphorus. Let us understand carbon cycle with the help of a diagram. Every organism is having 49% of carbon, its dry weight composed of 49% of carbon. Here you can see that this carbon is cycled through atmosphere, ocean, living and dead organism. You can see in case of living, carbon dioxide is coming through respiration, from dead it's coming through their decaying, and in atmosphere it is coming by burning of fossil fuels, automobiles, exhaust, etc. So you can see in this diagram how carbon is cycled, and carbon is required for the sustenance of life. As I told that 49% of dry weight is composed of carbon. Otherwise also carbon is part of carbohydrates and other major nutrients as well as other major resources to survive.